So hi guys, this is Coca from TechGenier. This is the new PlayStation Super Slim, the Sony's newest, cheapest and lightest, also smallest PlayStation system right now. So first of all, the package here looks a little bit funky. A lot of info around here, but let's check the inside. So we have a box in a box, double box. So you can see the PlayStation here. Let's open the box and let's check the inside. So first of all, here's the DualShock controller, PlayStation controller. It's the same standard controller as on every PlayStation system, so nothing new. Feels a little bit cheaper, I don't know, not like the old ones. Interesting. Really light, maybe some cheaper production, I don't know. And here are the standard AV adapter. Connect to the TV, also the cable for that. There's no HDMI cable here, so you have to buy an HDMI cable to use it with your HD TV. Here is our USB to mini USB cable for charging, to charge the controller, and the power cable for the PlayStation. So I will open that because later on I will start the PlayStation just to show you the noise. So let's check the box now. What else is here? Okay, here are the user's manuals. I don't need that. No one needs that, maybe. So let's check the PlayStation Super Slim. So, like the name already says, the PlayStation 3 Super Slim is really super slim. I have a second generation PlayStation Slim and I will show it to you to see the difference between them. So there's a big, huge difference between them. So the PlayStation Super Slim is got on a super diet. It's not only slim and at the look, it's also half of the weight of the PlayStation Slim I have. So the PlayStation 3 Super Slim has a new mechanism for the CD drive. It's like that. I don't know. It feels not really as a quality part, but I don't know. You have to put the CD into the PlayStation like this, and then close the drive. I don't know. Okay, here. So push button to open the drive. Okay. So there's a big difference between the Slim and also the first generation of the PlayStation. This PlayStation is really not really noisy because of the fan. It has a new fan system, which is really quiet, yeah. So silent, but the new drive system here with this cheap plastic here on the top makes a lot of noise. So it's not super loud, but it's loud. So if you're watching a movie or playing games and turn the sound down, or you have a movie or game that has some silent parts, you will hear the noise of the CD drive or Blu-ray drive. So this is maybe not the best. But the positive is the new fan system I already told you. So the fan is really quiet, still quiet if you're gaming, and with the SSD inside here, 12 GB SSD drive, so there is no hard drive. It's totally silent beside the CD drive. So we have in the front here 2 USB ports for charging, also to connect external hard drives or USB sticks. Here is the open mechanism for the CD, for the Blu-ray drive, and here's the power button. Nothing else here on the left and right side besides some PlayStation logo. On the back we have an LAN, Wi-Fi is inside, HDMI out, we have the digital out and the AV multi out, and also the AC in. Nothing else here, just the fans. On the bottom there's also fans. Nothing else here. So just to show you the difference between the Slim and the Super Slim, I have my Slim here. And we can show you both of them at once. So there is a big difference here. I will take this here now. Yes. Can you see that now? I don't know. Yeah. So you see the difference here. The Super Slim is a lot of thinner than the Slim. There is a lot of more I don't know, maybe, yeah. Yeah, there's some, I would say, 8 centimeters smaller, and also the half of the weight of the Slim. But the new mechanism, I don't know. I don't like this mechanism here. So it feels like made of cheap plastic here, but the price is 199 euros in Europe, also $199 in the US, and so it's also through-going everything because of the price. This is really cheap for a PlayStation system. You can watch Blu-rays, and normally a Blu-ray player is up to 80 euro or $80. So this is a PlayStation system and a Blu-ray player, and for 199, so 199, it's really cheap. I forgot to show you the sound, the noise of the PlayStation. Put in the AC, so the power cable to start the system, just to show you. So you can hear the noise of the fan. And now there's nothing. Cannot hear anything. So now I'm putting a CD in. It's no game or something like that. I just want to show you the drive. So the drive is really loud. Beside the super silent fan and SSD, the drive is really loud. So if you're watching a movie in a smaller room, you will hear the sound of the CD drive. It's a strange system. I don't know why they use this like this with this mechanism. I don't like it. But you can just put out the CD without starting the PlayStation like this, so it can be in standby or something like that, and you can change the CD. This on the older ones you have to start the PlayStation to put out the CD or change the CD. So thank you for watching.